What's up, guys? We got a Dodge Durango 2023. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because they already busted that window where he lives, and they stole a bunch of stuff out of his car. He was not happy. So anyway, we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way, if somebody busts the window or tries to remove the nut locks to take the rims, the factory alarm will fire off. So we end up giving them that upgrade. Anybody in Miami, our numbers is 305-298-4814. If you're in Fort Lauderdale or Pepper Pines, not a problem. We come out to you. We have mobile service, and we also do Homestead area. We send the tech out. So one more thing, just armed it. I'm gonna get ready to bang on the vehicle, on the glass. Now the factory alarm will go off, because before, if you don't add the shock sensor, by the way, these cars do come with a factory alarm system, but the only way it works is somebody opens the door, which nobody's going to do that. They're going to break your window and jump right in. So now if they bang on the glass, it's going to set off the alarm. Okay. It protects, the impact sensor protects the whole car, bumper to bumper, from each side. It is adjustable. We do have the DIY kits, and we do have the installation video for the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Troll Hawk, and this one right here in the Dodge Durango. You got to make sure you have a factory alarm before you give us a call about buying a DIY kit. And it does have installation video, and we make it for dummies, very easy. We never had anybody who wasn't able to complete the installation. By the way, to make sure you do have a factory alarm, some of them don't come with it, depending on the trim. You put the driver's window down, or any window down, hit lock, wait about 30-40 seconds, and then you stick your hand, since the window's going to be down, and reach in and open the door from the inside and see if the horn starts honking. That way you verify if you have a factory alarm. And then leave the fob like 10 feet back to make sure the fob doesn't pick you up and turn off. If you have it programmed that when you get close to the car, it locks the doors or whatnot, and then just keep the fob 10 feet back, and do that test to be 100% you have a factory alarm. All right, and I'm gonna bang on the other side, like I promised, and that will trigger the alarm. Go ahead, arm it again, and we'll wait again, and I'll do this glass. I kind of hit it in a bad spot because I'm holding the camera. We'll bang on it again. Our numbers in Miami are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, give us a call, and don't worry, we got you covered. You can buy the kit, and we ship it out to you, and then we'll send you the installation video. It's a private video, private link video that you'll be able to watch. And once you get the kit, you already seen the video a bunch of times, and then you know exactly what to do. It is a full wire hookup. It's not the end of the world. By the way, the remote start still works. It doesn't mess up your remote start or anything like that. Sometimes we get emails, does the remote start cancel out? No, the remote start will still work. Everything stays working as the way the car came. See, remote start. Okay, if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814.